Welcome to the Sky Solution channel. Today we're talking about something crucial for any business looking to thrive in the data-driven world: data quality. But here's the thing. Data's only as good as its quality. It needs to be accurate, reliable, and actionable. Bad data leads to bad decisions, and bad decisions can cost you everything. Marketing campaigns missing their mark, sales forecasts way off, customer insights that are completely inaccurate. You need a solid foundation of high-quality data to succeed. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 practical strategies to boost your data quality. So, if you're ready to unlock the true potential of your data and drive better business outcomes, stick around. The first step to solving any problem is identifying it, right? The same goes for data quality. Begin by taking a hard look at your data. What are the most common errors you're seeing? Are there inconsistencies, missing values, or outdated information? Analyze your data sources, examine your data entry processes, and look for patterns in the errors you find. Once you have a clear picture of the problem areas, you can start developing targeted solutions to address them. Now that you've identified your data quality gremlins, it's time to set some ground rules. Define specific criteria for accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, and relevance. By setting data quality standards, you're creating a quality control checklist for your data. You wouldn't go years without a health checkup, would you? Just like our bodies, our data needs regular checkups too. These are periodic assessments of your data to ensure that it meets your predefined quality standards. Data audits can be as comprehensive or as targeted as you need them to be. The key is to make these audits a regular part of your data management routine. By proactively identifying and addressing data quality issues, you can prevent them from snowballing into bigger problems. Let's face it, data can get messy. Over time, duplicates creep in, errors accumulate, and information becomes outdated. Data cleansing involves identifying and correcting or removing inaccurate, incomplete, or irrelevant data from your database. Think of it like spring cleaning for your data. The goal is to scrub your data clean and ensure that you're working with the most accurate and up-to-date information possible. One of the best ways to prevent data quality issues from creeping in is to nip them in the bud. By creating standardized data entry processes, you minimize inconsistencies and errors, establish clear guidelines and formats for data entry. By creating a standardized system, you're ensuring that data is entered consistently across the board. Managing data quality manually can be overwhelming, especially as your data volume grows. Data management tools streamline and automate many of the tasks involved in data quality management. From data profiling and cleansing to data validation and enrichment, there's a tool for every need. Investing in the right data management tools can save you time, reduce errors, and free up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives. Data quality isn't just the responsibility of your IT department or your data analysts, it's everyone's responsibility. Educate employees at all levels about the importance of data quality and how it impacts their work. When everyone understands the value of good data and the consequences of bad data, they're more likely to take ownership and contribute to maintaining high standards. To truly embed data quality into your organization's DNA, you need to cultivate a data-driven culture. Encourage data exploration, empower employees to use data in their roles, and celebrate data-driven successes. When data is at the heart of your decision-making processes, maintaining its quality becomes a natural extension of your company's values. Let's be real. Improving data quality isn't always easy. You'll likely encounter challenges along the way. Seek out training opportunities to upskill your team, explore cost-effective data management solutions, and break down data silos to improve collaboration. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and improvement. Data quality is not a one-time fix, it's an ongoing journey. Regularly review your data quality standards, assess the effectiveness of your strategies, and make adjustments as needed. The goal is to create a feedback loop that allows you to continuously learn, adapt, and optimize your data quality management over time. As we've seen, data quality is not just a technical issue, it's a business imperative. In today's data-driven world, businesses that prioritize data quality will have a significant competitive edge. By implementing the 10 practical strategies we've discussed, you can transform your data from a liability into a valuable asset. Remember, data quality is a journey, not a destination. If you're ready to embark on this journey and unlock the true potential of your data, Giay Solution is here to help.